Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to change the key fob battery for Ford EcoSport. And this is a kind of 2018 and newer fob. So first thing you'll need to do on this is there's a button on the front here. To press this to remove this internal valet key. And once we've done that, flip it over to the back, and you can see right here and here, there's kind of 2 points. You can put in a small screwdriver, or even easier, just use the valet key itself and pop off this backing here, like so, and that'll pop right out. And this will give you access to the CR2450 battery that you'll need to replace. So there's a link on where you can grab one of these online. If you take a small little screwdriver, or if you have a paper clip, you can get into these holes right here and just pop this guy out and grab a new CR2450. It's a kind of a larger coin key battery, and just make sure you put the positive side, which the positive side is this side of the lettering. Put the new one back in, place that back in there, and pop this backing back on like so. And actually, if you'll notice I kind of missed the back here. One thing you'll want to do is make sure and pop this bottom part in, place this in first, and then the connect points are actually more near the top here. So make sure and place this back first. Then you can put the valet key back in, and you should be all set. So that's how you replace the key fob battery in the Ford EcoSport.